Have you ever felt that every failure is a stepping stone to success? And have you ever wondered why some individuals bounce back from failure stronger than ever, and while others seems to crumble under its weight? So what if I told you that failure is holding the key to unlocking your greatest potential? Hello everyone, let me introduce myself to you all. I am Akhil, a student of MS English Language Center. So I have come up with some effective points for dealing with failure. Before I do discuss with them, I have to tell you a small story with you all. So there's a man named Warren Buffett. He's a famous investor who didn't always have an easy path to success. He faced many challenges and setbacks along the way. However, he used each failure as a chance to learn and improve himself. By staying persistent and focused on his goals, Buffett eventually became one of the richest people in the world. And now he's ruling the world. So his story shows that failure is a normal part of the journey to success. It's not about how many times you fall down, but how you pick yourself and keep going. With determination and resilience, anyone can turn their setbacks into opportunities for achieving their dreams. So here are the effective points for dealing with failure. Acknowledge emotions. Allow yourself to feel the depression or frustration that comes with the failure. It's natural and healthy to experience these emotions. Learn from mistakes. Failure is an opportunity for growth. Extract lessons from the experiences that you have felt to improve yourself or your approach. Seek support. Don't hesitate to lean on friends, family, or mentors for guidance and encouragement during tough times. Stay positive. Maintain a constructive outlook. Focus on what you will learn and how you can improve yourself by staying persistent and focused on your goals. Rather than dwelling on the setbacks, set new goals. Research your objectives based on the lessons learned. You can improve yourself by these points. Provide a practical framework for responding with failures and turning your setbacks into opportunities for growth and progress. So I would like to conclude this topic with a point. Failures are like steps to success. When we stumble, we learn and keep going. With perseverance, we turn challenges into opportunities. Failures can make you stronger. Think about what went wrong. Change what you need to. And keep trying. Don't give up. Success comes from not giving up, but when things get hard. This is all what I wanted to share about the topic. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to MS Spoken English Language Center.
Are you afraid of speaking English? Do you want to overcome stage fear? Would you like to crack any company's interview? Would you like to enhance your communication skills? And are you planning to study abroad? If you have no idea how to get the skills you require, you need not worry, friends. We offer all the courses you need. We help you to speak and write better English. We teach you English speaking skills, effective communication skills, interview skills, IELTS, MS English Language Center. Special batches for housewives, working professionals, and children. Brodipet 3x1, Guntur. Contact 79979 33388.